See, not the best view right next to the tower. Nice trash can right there. Would you look at that? We are back at Cabana Bay, one of my favorite resorts at Universal Orlando Resort. Hi everybody and welcome to the World of Micah. On today's episode, we're gonna check out exactly what Cabana Bay Resort at Universal Orlando Resort looks like during the holidays. You're gonna tag along with me. If you're new here, click that subscribe button. If you wanna support my channel, down below is a link. It'll take you to my Patreon page. Now, let's take a closer look. Made it to the lobby. Check this out. All the trees they have in the centerpiece near the check-in area. So many trees around and gifts. I love tinsel trees. It's amazing, right? Look at this. More tinsel trees and ornaments here at the gift shop. Look at this, all the retro looking Santa Claus. These are amazing. Wow, look at this. Holy cow. There's even a Cabana Bay holiday cup. I've never seen this shirt. That's gotta be new, right? Look at all this stuff. I love these. Man, this looks like everything we have in our house, honestly. Abby and I kind of have that mid-century modern thing going on in our house. And they've got all kinds of supplies here for that too. Gonna head up the staircase to see what other kind of decorations they have, and we can get a much higher look from the second floor down at the lobby at those tinsel trees. Oh wow, the same colors that they had on the trees, the tinsel trees, they made like tinsel garland along the ledge here right next to the gym. We're almost to the lobby. Just want to see what it looks like from up here, you know, get a perspective looking down at these trees. Oh yeah. Wow. Isn't that something? So many folks are checking in too. Man. I just love this place. And you can see this tinsel goes all the way around, and they even have it up top of the Swizzle Lounge. Now they do have a gigantic line for the Galaxy Bowl. I think they're doing reservations for it, and they're only allowing so many folks to play bowling at a time. As you can see, there's quite a line. Even the Bayliner Diner is getting into the holiday spirit. I spy a tree right over there, and they even have the tinsel around some of the booths. I've got to go down and check this out, the bottom floor. Oh yeah, more tinsel garland going down, and I don't know if I mentioned this before, but they're practicing social distancing here. As you can see, that booth is completely blocked off, and they've got all the other tables and chairs separated, so it's pretty nice. Hand sanitizing stations set up everywhere. There's the tree I was spying when we were up. Does that look like me? Kinda, sorta. Oh yeah, now this is my aesthetic right here. Look at that old retro clock, tinsel tree, the chairs, the wood paneling, the lights. This is cozy to me. I was hoping they had some kind of Christmas decorations out here in the patio area next to the pool. Also, I wanted to come and see this. Volcano Bay. Still closed. I can't wait to get back, but it's a pretty cool shot with the sun on the side of it there. Man, that's awesome. And yes, it is cool enough to have a fire pit going. Something to keep you a little warm. Believe it or not, it does get cold here in Central Florida. I think this is where you can do the marshmallow roasting too. This is pretty cool. I just wish there was like a Christmas tree out here. I mean, there are lights on the palm trees. Gotta love a Christmas palm tree, right? That's like Kevin McAllister's like least favorite thing. I feel like ever since I have moved to Florida that I have become Kevin McAllister when it comes to Christmas, because it was so weird to me having to get used to Christmas with palm trees and everything is just so Florida. Here at the Bayliner Diner, they have the new Christmas mug, the holiday mug for Cabana Bay. Look at that. They do still have the regular mug that you can get here. That's basically the mural that you see in the Bayliner Diner seating area, but this is pretty cool. They had a Halloween one at one point, and I've never seen a holiday one. And for the holiday season, they have frosty root beer, a frosty blue cream soda. That's really cool. Okay, I've never noticed these old phones here. That's amazing. It's like your own little booth too. Well, we've pretty much seen everything, including the lobby, the gift shop, and the Bayliner Diner. And we saw the second floor, which means there's only one thing left to do. See the room, and look at this new shirt I got. The Galaxy Bowl. So fitting for when you're visiting Cabana Bay. Here we are in the restroom. I don't know how many times I've shown the restroom here in this resort, but here we are again. Love the shower curtain. Now this is not the normal suite we stay in. This is like a standard room. As you can see, the 2 beds, artwork. Don't have the best view. We're on a bottom floor. Kind of give you guys a peek. See, not the best view. Right next to the tower. Nice trash can right there. Look at the rocks on the outside. It's kind of cool. But you get a little table. Little entertainment set with the TV. And I can't remember the last time I did this. Oh, so comfortable. It's always so comfortable here. But I opted to try this room for one evening just to see what it looked like in a standard room. And now you guys have seen it because I've shown the suite so many times. Figured we could change it up a little bit. So this is the Americana building we are staying. It says, you are here, we're right here. And this whole little hallway goes. It'll take you all the way back to the Bayliner Diner. I like this though. This is pretty cozy. Kind of reminds me of those old school hotels back in the day. It's got everything you need. But this was a lot of fun showing you guys Cabana Bay for the holidays, and I'm glad I got to show the room as well. But I think our adventure for today has come to an end. If you enjoyed this episode, give me a thumbs up. The next time you stay at Cabana Bay, tell them World of Micah sent you. I'll see you on the next episode. Until then, stay weird. Goodbye.